All right, I'm so excited to be doing this project, providing solutions to the new SAT coming out in March 2016, providing solutions to the math section of the new textbook. So let's jump into this first question here in your textbook. We're doing the test 1, section 3, the non-calculator section. So the question says that x minus 1 over 3 is equal to k. But then later on in the question it tells us that k is 3. Well, remember, this is a number one question on the SAT. It's not designed to be difficult at all. So what you want to do is just use very basic concepts and don't overthink the question. So all we need to do here is if they're telling us this k is equal to 3, just plug that 3 in here, right here. So that allows us to then have x minus 1 over 3 is equal to 3. All right. Now, in math, anytime you see a denominator like this in a fraction form, you generally want to get rid of that denominator. So in math, you multiply by 3 there. But in math, if you multiply by 3 on the left side, you need to do the same on the right side so everything balances out. Now, a lot of people make a mistake here by saying, hey, I've put a 3 here, so this 3 should multiply the x and the minus 1. Well, that was not the purpose of this 3 being here. The purpose of this 3 here is to cancel this 3 out. So you don't want to lose sight of that. Make sure this 3 cancels that out. And now what you have is x minus 1 equal to 9. At this point, you obviously want to get the x, so you add 1 on both sides. And the reason we're doing that is if I want x, I need to get rid of anything around x, including which is really this minus 1. And to get rid of a minus 1, you do the opposite of it, and that is a plus 1, and you do that on both sides. This crosses out, this makes this a 10, so your x is 10, which is in the answer key D. So that's how you answer this question. It's a number one question on the SAT. It's not designed to be hard. You're using very basic arithmetic and algebra skills, and if you just apply that, you'll be fine. Thank you.